I love the look of tone on tone. This is a black pillow that I stitched black embroidery, and actually the designs here were very multicolored, but I want to show you how you can set up the machine to stitch a design that has got, say, 6 colors without it stopping. So let's just take a built-in design. Again, from the Pfaff exclusives area, we'll just find something that's got lots of color, and this would be really pretty to stitch on a fabric. So even if I wanted to match my kind of purplish area here, I can go ahead and see that it would all just totally be a beautiful design. Yes, oh my gosh, this particular design just barely fits in this hoop right out to the edge. No red lines at the top, so I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and do embroidery stitch out. So again, I can just put the color on that I plan to use. And right here, there's 2 places you can actually choose to tell the machine you want it to stitch in one color. The term is called monochrome. So this is one place you can do. You can go ahead and check that box. And so what it does is it takes out all the stops for that particular color. So another place though you will find is that if you didn't remember when that screen came up, is that you can actually open up the little color block list, touch the little paint palette here, and you'll notice what icon is green. It's the one where it shows the 3 little blocks going to one color. So if you've ever wondered why it's not stopping between all your colors, it's because that accidentally got turned on. So as it finishes the first color, it's just going to roll into the second, and before you know it, it is completely done. Here's another thing too, the stitch out progress. It'll just show you it's got how long it's actually going to. It will not take 8 hours to stitch. That's so funny. But once it starts stitching, it will bring that stitch count down a bit. But it is a very filled in design. But if you have the color that you want to stitch, doing a tone on tone design is very elegant. A way to turn anything from very elaborate to very classic.